Hello, and welcome to episode 1 of Potatoes. Today we're going to be doing the mysterious ticking noise. What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's kind of catchy. Potato, potato, Severus potato. Potato, potato, Severus potato, Dumbledore potato, potato, Severus potato, Dumbledore potato, Severus potato, Dumbledore, Hermione, Ron Weasley, Hermione, Ron Weasley, potatoes, all the potatoes, all the potatoes. Guys, I found the source of the mysterious ticking noise. It's a pipe bomb. The end. Voldemort, oh Voldemort. Ba-dum bum bum.